Okay, for the last step of your video, to create the video, you have all of your transitions in, your pictures, your text. You're now going to go up to the top, and if you press the home button, you will then press slideshow at the top. So slideshow and then record slideshow. When you press record slideshow, your screen should look like this, and then you are going to press record at the top, and you will press the spacebar button to decide how long you want spent on that particular slide, and then it will turn it into a movie. So I'm going to press record, and it's starting, and then I would press the next button, and you can go as fast and slow as you would like, depending on what your music is doing as well. So just make sure as you're doing this that your transitions look good, you have the appropriate type of text, and you're also paying attention to the pacing and the music and creating interest in your video. So once you're done going through all the slides, you are going to press stop at the top, and then you'll press replay to see what it looks like for the recording. And then after that, you are going to save your PowerPoint and turn it in on Teams.